We'll be starting in 5 minutes. Um, in the meantime, how are you all?
Doing great, ma'am.
You can call us by our names. That is absolutely fine. How was the college orientation? Did you guys gain some clarity?
Yeah, it was helpful.
Great. So, how are you liking the college? Any issues till now?
Not yet. It's quite amazing, actually.
That's great.
So guys, are you liking GCSE till now? Like you can type in the chat box as well. If you can turn on your mic, that would be great.
You can unmute and respond. That is absolutely fine. Have you guys started with your classes yet?
Yes, mathematics first semester is from Monday.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
they'll be
So that's
Yes,
my
starting
all
from
double.
classes
Monday.
from Monday, ma'am.
So मतलब ग्रुप्स बन गए हैं और या फिर नहीं बने अभी
Yeah,
तक?
group.
Yes, groups have been
Yes,
made.
ma'am.
That's great, yeah. I'm glad you guys uh, had a smooth experience because to be honest, we guys didn't have that smooth experience in our orientation. So good for you.
It's all because of you seniors only.
Well, we are glad that it was easy for you all.
What happened in your orientation, Chitna, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, no, it's absolutely fine. Actually, it was a bit messed up, and we had to create our own groups and invite the teachers in them. So you can pretty much understand the situation.
Like now it's been over a year and a half since everything's been online. But in our time, that was the first time that we were having online orientations. Everything was online. And even the teachers, the college did not know how to go about things. So they were also trying new things out. So it was sort of messy because it was the first time that everyone was trying this out.
So you are
Yeah,
all second years.
yeah. So Varun, to answer your question, it was like a mixture. It was good and bad both. Good because you could skip classes, let's be honest, and bad because we couldn't experience college. So yeah.
Did you guys get to know your teachers as of now?
Not yet.
We just
Not all of
Not
them.
yet.
Okay. It will be fun knowing your teachers also. Like there's a whole lot of variety in each course.
Yeah, you'll pretty much understand when once your classes start. We'll be starting in a minute or two. So just wait.
And guys, even apart from Anactis, if you guys need any help in college, then you can come to any of us at any time. So you can just text up and ask us ki we are having this difficulty or we have this query, and all of us are there to like help you guys and guide you guys. That's totally fine.
So let's start, guys. First of all, we are so glad that you guys made up the time to make it to the Nactus orientation. We'll be glad to have you on board with us. So, most of you won't be familiar about what exactly is Enactus, although we received some very, very great responses from whoever participated in that small activity we gave you all. So, we'll coming to that also at the end of the orientation. So, first of all, let me brief you all like what is Enactus, and you must be all excited for that. So, Enactus is an international student body organization powered by KPMG, which you might have heard is one of the big four companies in the accounting sector. And Enactus works for the upliftment of the underprivileged and marginalized sections of the society, like through a model of social entrepreneurship. And it is as simple as it seems. When there's a social aspect to business, instead of sole motive of profit making, that is called social entrepreneurship. And then coming to the reach of Enactus, it's currently spread across more than 37 countries around the world, and India has more than 117 teams currently. Would you believe that? So we Enactus DCAC is amongst the top five teams in the circuit, guys. We started out operations in 2013, and since then we have undertaken seven projects and successfully sustained five of them. And current projects are Project Zarat and Talim. But you may ask why Enactors exactly? Honestly, this is a platform for you to develop yourself and your career as well in every possible way. And let me clear one thing for you guys that Enactors is not some NGO doing just social service. It's so much more than that. You will get to lead the projects. You want to gain some experience in the ground reality. You get that to here. We even have a government department. Our projects have been applauded by the Union Minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Deputy CM of UP, Mr. Dinesh Sharma also. We have a fabulous PR department too. You get to pitch your projects to famous people working in that area. Just a couple months back, our team got to interview with Radio Noida as well at Mao Studios, and that was a whole lot of experience for me and the team. And that was even broadcasted as well. So you see that reach starts to get amplified from there. Talking from the career perspective, you will get to conduct corporate meetings as well, interact with various professionals, attend mentorship sessions by actually visiting the head office all suited up and in the formal dress code. Every year there are around like दो तीन mentorship sessions होते हैं, and in which we go to the KPMG office in Gurgaon. And since, as I mentioned, that NAC is supported by KPMG, there are many direct internships and job opportunities as well in the big four companies. And in a head body as well, there are some people currently interning with KPMG and EY. Now, these things count a lot when you're building up your resume, right? Even if you want to apply for college applications abroad in USA, Canada, UK, Enactus contributes a lot because it has that global recognition. So you see the opportunities are numerous. And okay, coming to the fun part, not only this, we don't miss out on any fun either, guys. We conduct chill sessions, we go out, हम बाहर जाते हैं, खाते हैं, whenever we go to the ground visits. Usually हम in actors t-shirts, as you see, हम अभी भी in actors t-shirts में बैठे हैं. So usually हम in actors t-shirts और formals में होते हैं. So everyone's like their eyes are on us कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं, इतना बड़ा ग्रुप है, क्या कर रहे हैं ये. So we even have our annual prom, and that doesn't need any explanation, guys. Prom, you must be all excited for that. So this way you get to enjoy your tenure also, apart from the work that's going to be done. But apart from this, also, believe me, guys, the most interesting part of the tenure remains the National Cup. Like every year, a national competition is organized by each participating country. As I told, in more than 37 countries, Enactus is present. So, which in our case, obviously, is Enactus India. And more than 80 teams participate in our national competition. The preparation for it starts like 2-3 months पहले से हम prepare करना start कर देते हैं. Every person is involved in with some other department at that time, and then whichever team is declared the national champion gets the chance to represent India at the World Cup. Now that's something big you get here at Enactus. National competition may like there are various teams are there, a very good crowd is there, activities organized hoti hain. And if you all feel sorry for being in DCSE, then don't worry, guys. We have beaten teams like Hansraj, IIT Delhi, Shahid Sukhdev. So whoever is a little bit sad that we got into DCSE, not some top-notch, not campus college. So don't worry, we have got you covered. So we were amongst the talking about beating teams, the top teams. Like we were amongst the top three teams in early stage competition this year. The national competition is held within India and like in various states, be it Delhi, Bombay, and you get to travel there and you get to represent India. If you get to represent India, then you are up for a foreign trip for the World Cup, and that's all sponsored by them, guys. हम जाते हैं like crowd from various countries get their games खेलते हैं activities होती हैं and that we have got to semi-finals finals as well, so that's a whole lot of fun apart from the work. Now if you aren't able to believe all of this, trust me, we aren't exaggerating. We have a couple of videos prepared for you as well. So yeah, Chetna, can you please start presenting those videos?
Is the screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, all right.
We sustain. We are in Actus, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce.
So thrilled to welcome so many of the great leaders of the world, and most importantly, the great students of the planet from more than 37 countries. Welcome one and all to Silicon Valley.
addition to this year's World Cup, Ford Motor Company Fund is contributing $50,000 in the new Ford Better World Award to share between the world champions and their country, India. Congratulations!
So, guys, that was a glimpse of what Enactus is, and I really hope you all got excited after watching this. So, Amulya, please carry on.
Right. So I'll just be giving a brief overview of our flagship project, Project Talim. So currently there are over 7 million refugees that have to go through forceful displacement, and they are stripped of the most basic human rights. Talim means education. In Project Talim, the project revolves around the concept of refugee education. We provide education to refugees through a collaboration with the Pan India NGO, where we have created an active story based curriculum which can help teaching to refugees through the art of stories, which promotes holistic development. We have brought in other innovations such as creating libraries, a social emotional curriculum, a web portal, etc. Pavni, you can give us a brief overview of Project Zarat.
Yeah, thanks, Amulya. So, as we know that agriculture plays a really important role in India, so there are about 93,000 crore post-harvest losses that occur per year, and small and marginal farmers have to bear the heat of this whole scene. So, for that, we initiated Project Zarat, which aims to minimize post-harvest losses and thus provides better opportunities to farmers by empowering them through a self-sustaining social enterprise. We are helping them by providing them affordable means of storage and mobilizing them through creation of entrepreneurs and building B2B linkages. I guess that's it. Mahesh, we have Mahesh with us. He's the president, like he's the advisory member who was the president for the tenure of 2020-2021.
Mahesh, are you here? I guess there's some issue. Thank you, Amulya and Pavni, for giving a brief about the projects. So we have 3 of our members here who would like to share their Enactus experience with you all. Kriti, please go ahead.
Thank you, Chetna. First of all, hi guys. I hope you are doing good. So, talking about my experience at Enactus, just like you guys, our semester started online, so I was not expecting much. But after joining Enactus, I got to make some really good friends here because Enactus gives you the chance to work very closely with people. You have Google Meets, you go on ground visits, and you get to bring about a project. So, the working is very close with your team members. And apart from this, Enactus also gives you the chance to learn and grow in just 1 year from going on ground and talking to the ultimate beneficiaries of a project to being mentored by KPMG. Enactus provides you everything. So I'll say it's a whole package, and all those who want to experience that, I feel Enactus is the right place for you. Chetna, am I not audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Is Kriti audible to everybody?
Yes,
Yeah,
she
she's
is.
audible.
Yes. Yes.
Harsh, Harsh it is right. Can you please try exiting and joining again? There must be some glitch. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so that's about it, guys. So we're really excited to have you all on board, and we really look forward to working with you all. Sanidhya, would you like to take over?
Yes, sure. Thank you, Kriti. So, first of all, thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the orientation and giving us an opportunity to host you. I bet you all are pretty kicked up about the society after seeing the great presentations and the videos, because so was I and all of us sitting here. So, if I have to elaborate my experience after having worked at Enactus for more than a year and now sitting here to guide you all, I would say that I stepped in thinking that it might be another society that, just does engages in some social work and holds events. But I can promise you guys that it's much more than that. It's about, working in and as a team to achieve a common objective. And the ambition is, I would just say that the ambition to actually represent your country on a global platform after winning the nationals is something that kept us motivated throughout the year, which is why all of us are sitting here today, because that feeling is something else when your name gets announced and you are the one representing your country at a global platform. So I would just like to say that I'd recommend Enactus to all of you who are looking to get a corporate exposure, as well as working in a team to actually build and organize projects from scratch, projects that truly are that uphold the idea of social entrepreneurship. And all of this while having a lot of fun, because that is exactly what we are here for. Thank you so much.
So
Vaibhav,
yeah,
would you
guys,
like to
I would like to, yeah, I would like to continue from here. So basically, Kriti and Sanidhya, they like told us very well about what Enactus is and how were their experiences. So I would like to just add on to that Enactus is like much more than simply working for the sake of the society, for the sake of simply working for like for the sake of it. It's much more than that. It's like actually visiting on the ground to get to know live projects, running projects, and basically conducting researches, getting exposed, exposure in corporate world, getting exposure everywhere. Like you get to meet the advisories, you get meetings, you do meetings every day late night, and like we actually saw how like we all got goosebumps while watching the World Cup winning moment. And that like makes us do the work hard, and that makes us work hard and sit late night for the meetings for the national preparation. And you know what, like apart from working, we make really good friends. I would like to tell you the closest of my friends in college, the closest friends are in Enactus. And like apart from the exposure, we work as a family and we like work as a unit, and that's the most special feeling in any part of this world, that working as a family and working as a team, conducting researches, conducting ground visits together, and working as a family. And that's what I love about Enactus. And I would like to tell you that honestly, Enactus is a part of me, and I am a part of Enactus.
Thank you, Weber. So we have Mahesh Sikka amongst us. He was our ex-president and our advisory member. Mahesh. I'm really sorry, there must be some issue. Amulya, would you please like to share your experience in the meantime?
Sure. Although I think that Sanitha, Vaibhav, and Preeti have almost covered everything that there is, but I would still like to take this time to emphasize on things that they've already covered. Because after COVID, our entire college experience was totally online, and we could not actually go down, meet our friends. So that was very hard. But I think in my past 1.5 years, Enactus has become synonymous to my college life, because everything that my college stands for is basically Enactus. All of my friends are here, and this is where all of my work stands for. And this is where I've personally developed. Because if I've learned to talk, then it's been here, because I've got so many opportunities to talk. If I've learned to write, then it's because of this place. Because this place has given me so many opportunities that I've had the chance to personally develop myself. And that is what an actress is about: giving chance, and not giving you one chance, but unlimited chances to every person that there is. Because like Sanyam was telling you, we have so many departments where everyone can work. You can work in the government department, PR department. There are so many ways in which you can develop. So you can do things that you like, but you can also take chances on things that you want to learn, something that you have never done before. And you can do all of that while having fun. Because for every hour of meeting that there is 15 minutes of chilling out as well. Because no work can be, because you can't do just work, right? You have to make friends and you have to bond along the way. And I think that is what an actress is about.
Thanks, Amulya. So there's a glitch right now, and Mahesh will be joining us in a while. So in the meantime, guys, I'm sure you all must be wondering about the activity we conducted on the group. So firstly, thank you for participating in that activity. We all were very, very impressed with your answers. Great response. And it was honestly very difficult to narrow it down to just three best answers. But we have narrowed it down to four best answers, and that is Shreya Jindal, Modhini, Abhiraj Singh, and Samriddhi. So congratulations, guys. Are you all here? You can just type it in the chat box.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, great. Um, just a second. So, okay, in the meantime, we are open to any queries and questions. If you guys want to ask us anything regarding Enactus or college in general.
Hello,
Yeah,
am I audible?
yeah, you're audible.
I just had one query that since past 1 year has been all online, so how this has worked online?
Right. So most of the work, like the meetings and all, we conduct it online, and we sit on Google Meet and have discussions as to what to do and how to go about the projects. But those who are in Delhi and who are convenient coming on ground, we have tried going on ground and doing the work as well, taking all the precautions. But during the lockdown period, we all were working from home and doing all the work online only. But whenever we got a chance to go on ground and uh, execute our project, so we have done that too. So it's kind of a balance right now.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes,
And
Anush,
you're welcome.
recruitments are open for the second year.
You guys can please unmute yourself, drop us any queries, any questions like from A to Z, any questions you have regarding the working of an actors, regarding what we do in our chill out sessions, what we do exactly in work, anything.
So, like, if we want in, so whom do we approach for that? Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
could you please repeat?
If we want in, then whom do we approach for that?
In as
Like
in if you want to join the society.
Yup.
Yeah, so we have an entire recruitment process. Yeah, I'm just telling. So after the orientation gets over, we'll be releasing the forms in half an hour, and you can just fill up the forms. And as you proceed with each step of the recruitment, you'll be notified as if you have made it to the next round or not. So yeah.
So, under what grounds will you be selecting others?
So basically, we don't really. There is no criteria as of regarding the courses that we prefer this course over some other course. It really depends on how you answer the form and how you go about in each round. So that is the only criteria.
And also adding to that, the passion the person has to, work for the upliftment of the society, the sincerity, and the kind of characteristics that we look for, a dedicated person to be a part of the society. So these all are what we are looking for. So that will be reflected in 3 rounds. Okay, Avani, I'll answer that too. That there will be in total 3 rounds in the recruitment process. First is the form, which will be out today only, and it will be followed by a group discussion and a personal interview. So this will be our recruitment process this year.
So there's another society, NSS, which also works for the welfare. So what is the basic difference between both of the societies if you want to choose?
Right. So in Enactus, apart, like, in addition to working for the society, we try to come up with business models. So we try to come up. So for example, we try to get a community, we identify a community, and we try to establish a social enterprise. Okay, so it runs on the basis of business, but we don't expect any profit for ourselves. Enacted TCA does not expect any profits for itself, and we try to uplift that particular community. We just don't go out and do social work. We try to help people become self-sustainable. So that's the key difference in Enactus.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. I wanted to know that if I am running kind of a personal project, so can I get like some guidance, some help with going about it and the PR stuff?
Yeah, definitely. You can contact any one of us for that, and we can have a talk about that too.
Yeah, and like if I ask you what is done in the society on a regular basis?
Okay, so for we told you, we have currently two projects, Project Talim and Project Zarat. So we try to come up with new innovation as to how we can work for the betterment of the community, and we try to come up with new things so that the people there of our community are benefited from it. So over the course of the year, we try to achieve that one by one. So
Okay, and are there any specific roles assigned?
So, like Sayam said, there are various departments like government department, there's the PR department, and you're also involved in project management. So, and there's also community, community work on ground work. So these are all the roles.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
Can you please explain more about departments? Like, what is the role of a specific department? Like, what do we do in government, PR, and community? Just a big brief.
Yeah. So for the project to be implemented on ground and to provide all the benefits to our community. So in the government department, we try to contact the government officials so that more benefits could be provided to them. And then in the PR department also to reach as many as people out there and to share our message, the underlying message of our projects. We work in the PR department. So these are the main functioning.
And do we have to choose any specific department in the forms or something?
Not right now. In the form, there are options like in which department you are interested in, but you may work in as many departments as you wish once you are selected.
Okay.
There's no specific department, Mahesh, for research and development, but research would also be a part of the your tenure in Enactus.
What is the maximum number of student intake the society takes in every year? Is there a specific number to it?
There's no specific number to it. We select all the deserving candidates who can, who has the passion and who can work for it. So there's no specific limit as such.
Thank you.
Answering to Avni, that totally depends the number of hours for the commitment. That totally depends on what number of hours you are willing to give to Enactus. So, yeah.
There are some questions in the chat box. Shankar.
Yeah, just a second. Parishka, right? Yeah, Parishka, there's not a particular department for content writing, but for the nationals, there is a script writing that will take place. So you can be a part of it. So, but there's no department for content writing as such.
Adding to that, you'll get to experience content writing in our PR department as well. So there are basic many write-ups which we pitch on to whatever leads we select in the PR department. So yeah, you can experience content writing if you want to pursue in that.
Yeah.
Moreover, you can also volunteer for writing the content that goes along with our posts. So if you are interested in content writing, you can explore that as well.
Okay, so Akshay, the deadline to we'll be releasing the forms in half an hour. You will get to know all the details about the form at that particular moment. As of for the department question, we just listed the departments and you will be getting to know about all the departments in detail. So not to worry about that.
Yeah, and Shreya, for your question, so it totally depends, right? Okay, if all the forms that we receive are, up to the mark, and we feel all are, worth giving a shot, so they will move on to the next round. So it totally depends. There is no such, criteria that this number of people will be eliminated or this number of people will go to the next round. So nothing like that.
Hi. So you guys talked about the two projects that you have going on right now, and for me, I'm particularly very interested in doing groundwork amongst other things. So what does that usually look like, and how has it been during COVID times, especially?
Okay, yeah. So, like we said, we have two projects, right? One is Project Talim, which mainly revolves around refugee education, and one is Project Zarat, which is related to agriculture. So, we have been for the past, if I will tell you my experience, I have been at least in 20 to 25 ground visits till now in just a year, even though like half of my tenure was during the lockdown. So, you can imagine the kind of, opportunities you get even to do on ground. So there's data collection, there is interacting with this community and telling them about our project and helping them out. So there will be a lot of opportunities to be on ground. So it totally depends on you, and if you're interested, then it's well and good to work on ground. Ananya, so certificates are given at the end of the tenure.
The tenure is 1 year, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For an year.
Yeah, again, you don't need to call us sir or ma'am, guys. We are just your seniors. You can call us by our names.
Apologies, matter of habit.
That is totally fine. Sayam, there is a question. Lavish is asking, what is an Actis? Can you please brief? So,
Oh yeah, okay, Lavish. So basically, Enactus is an international not-for-profit student body organization. It is sponsored and supported by KPMG. So what we exactly do, that we take some projects each year, we devise a business model, we work upon it, and then we work upon it in various departments as we have discussed up till now, and then we take those projects on ground. We work for the societal upliftment through a model of social entrepreneurship. So yeah, that's about that. If you want to listen to a great detail, then the recording of orientation would be available on YouTube as well, on our YouTube page. So you can check out that as well.
and as for joining an Actis, so guys, you have to fill out the forms before the deadline, and after that, we won't be accepting any forms or any candidates.
Just one more query.
Yeah.
Yeah, like two projects are ongoing right now. So do we have to choose one project on which we have to work, or you gradually divide people like you work in this or that?
So depending on the person's ability to work on how many projects and the skill set you carry, right? So if you have a particular interest in working in any of the particular project, you can definitely tell any of us so that you are able to work in that project. Otherwise, we will be allotting the projects, or you can work in both projects. So the situation can be anything. So it's
So you get to
the
know
opportunity.
about that process after a while.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Saranya,
sure. I'll just can someone please share the WhatsApp group link here?
Lavish, the recording will be posted in an hour or so, and the link will also be provided. The YouTube link will also be provided on the WhatsApp group itself.
I wanted to ask something. It's like when you right now you just said now that we'll get our certificates at the end of the tenure, right?
Right, yeah.
So like if we'll be going to compete with others at that time, won't we be getting our certificates there?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand your question.
So are you asking about the tenure certificate or the winning certificate?
I'm just talking about the certificates, not specifically.
See, at the end of the tenure, you will get your member certificate, and I guess you're asking if we'll get the certificate where we are winning. So I'm really sorry, I wasn't able to understand your question. So if you're asking if you win the nationals, of course we'll get the certificate there. And if you're asking about the tenure certificate, you'll get it at the end of the tenure.
That we'll be getting from you.
From an actress, yeah.
Okay.
How many societies can we join at a time?
So there is no limit as such, but it is expected if you join Enactus to give sufficient time to this society because you should be able to juggle things. So it depends on person to person.
Well,
So yeah.
frankly, we speaking this as seniors, don't join too many societies because then you'll have to juggle a lot. So set your preferences and join like one or two societies at max. Because after a while it gets really hectic. So sort out your preferences and you can join according to that.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. So I hope you guys we were able to answer your questions. If you have any more queries, you can reach out to any of us personally. And no, we have Mahesh Sikka amongst us. He was our ex-president and advisory member. And Mahesh.
Hello, hi, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are, Mahesh.
Oh, first of all, thanks, Chetna, for the introduction. That's the first time I've been hearing good stuff from you. So thanks for that. And hi, guys. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Mahesh, and I was the president for the previous tenure. So maybe I can talk to you for a couple of minutes, and I hope you'll enjoy a bit. So uh, I can understand the feeling of you all coming straight out of schools and having that jittery feeling, knowing nothing about how college operates, what you have to do, what college has to provide you, which societies to join, how will be the teachers and stuff like that. So I was also pondered with all of those questions when I stepped into into this college, and I vividly remember it. It was 4th of September 2019 when the orientation of Enactus happened, and I had no idea and I had no clue, like most of you present here. I had no clue how the society operates, what it has to offer. So after attending that orientation, after attending that 75 minutes of program, I was extremely focused and motivated to join the society, work for the betterment, provide what best I can, and see what happens. And here, after 2 years, I do not regret that decision here. To be very frank, I was a narrow-minded personality coming out of school. Uh, मतलब जो मेरे perspectives थे about life, about people, और आज 2 साल बाद जो हैं, they are quite varied and different. And a major contributor वो किसकी वजह से हैं has to be to I'll give to an actor, sir. So the sheer amount of confidence, the sheer amount of bonding, how to communicate with people, the sheer amount of skills which I have learned in the past 2 years have been abundant. So my quick advice to all of you will be, where you have come to college, explore your areas, explore your interests. Sai societies, I would suggest Sai societies की orientation attend करो. I'll not be biased and say यार तुम सारे इनएक्टिव्स में आ जाओ और ये सब सारी सोसाइटीज की ओरिएंटेशन अटेंड करो, देखो कहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट लाई करता है, क्या चीज़ फैसिनेट कर रही है, एक्सप्लोर करो एंड यू विल फाइंड योर इंटरेस्ट, यू विल फाइंड द एरिया जहाँ पे तुम्हें काम करना है एंड यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. So personally, as a junior in the first year and a head body member in the second year, my experience has been fascinating. Going to Bombay, representing our projects, going to colleges, going to the best colleges in our country, be it IIT Delhi, be it SRCC, be it CBS, the colleges which ideally we would have dreamt to be going in our college years. So going to those colleges, representing our projects, representing our society, was an altogether different feeling. So my advice to all of you would be, इफ यू लाइक टुडेज ओरिएंटेशन, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे तुम ग्रो कर सकते हो. यू हैव समथिंग टू ऑफर. This society can provide you with a couple of skills which will be beneficial for you in the future. Give it a try. Explore करो, देखो. If this is your interest, go ahead with it, work hard. And one thing I can vouch for is those 15 people, your heads, are maybe the smartest people, are probably the smartest people in the college also. So you will learn a lot from them. You'll see them communicate. You'll see them how they develop, how they communicate with each other, how they communicate with the corporate world, how do they understand things, how do they research. So there's a lot to be learned from them as well. So that's it. That's pretty much it about from me. And I hope to see you guys soon, and all the very best.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank
So
you.
I hope you guys gained an idea about what is an Actus, and I hope we were able to answer your queries and questions as well. But in case you have any more questions, you can always reach out to us, be it regarding an Actus or college in general. Feel free to reach out to any of us, and we'll be releasing the form in half an hour. You can fill out the forms. If you have any queries, again, you can reach out to us. That's pretty much it. If any of you want to say anything.
The forms will be provided to us on the WhatsApp group, or do you have to keep checking the Instagram account of Enactus?
The forms will be released on Instagram as well as WhatsApp, so you
All
can
right,
find
thank
it
you.
there.
You mentioned that the tenure lasts for a year. So, if you want to continue with the society in our second year, so would we have to go through the interview process again? How does it work? Or are we just not allowed to continue beyond a year?
So basically, in your first year, you are juniors. You work like we worked under the guidance of our seniors, and in second year, you either get into the head body or your tenure is terminated. But you can always apply if you want to join the society.
Okay, so guys, we'll be winding up with the orientation now. If you guys have any questions, you can just DM any of the heads, any of the admins of the WhatsApp group. So please feel free to connect.
Anushka, we'll be releasing the forms and the details regarding the deadline and everything is provided in that form itself.
Okay.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed and well got to know about an actress.
Yes, it was quite amazing.
Pardon?
Yeah, she's saying it's quite lengthy, right?
Yeah.
No, amazing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Chetna, just one last question. I wanted to know how many members are there currently in Enactus, like DCSE में?
So currently, we are a team of 15 head body members, and we'll be recruiting you guys as juniors. So there is no fixed number as of for that. But as I said, you'll get to know about all the details in a few days.
Apologies, sorry.
No, that is completely fine. That is totally fine. Don't apologize. You can always ask questions. That is fine.
And if any of you have any queries, you can reach out to any of us personally. We will be glad to help you out.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank you. It was very pleasant interacting with you all. I had heard before joining DU that seniors are very helpful, and now I have seen also. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, Shivam. Means a lot.